This is a 2023 GMC Sierra, the AT4X package. We just installed some nice 4-inch black quad tips. It's all stock exhaust. The customer didn't really want any upgraded sound, just an upgraded look. We pulled these factory turn down pipes off of there. Just tied it right back into the original resonators, left it all stock. As I said, no real sound upgrade, just wanted to show you what it could look like. It does have an aftermarket set of bumpers on it. The AEV package gives it a nice upgraded look. That's what the customer's looking for.